Welcome. This is a demonstration of using Xcode to debug native tools in the Moddable SDK. The first step in doing that is to bring the tools up to date to build them. So we're just going to switch into the XS make directory, excuse me, and build those. Once those are ready, then we come into Xcode and we say Debug Executable, and we're going to be debugging XST. So we will select that here in the Moddable SDK binary build results folder. This is a debug build of XST. The argument we're going to pass to XST is just a call to JSON parse, and you'll notice here that the expression is a syntax error because it doesn't close the brace on the array. So we'll close that. We're going to add some files to XST so we can set some breakpoints. So let's add the XS sources. And then here we can set a breakpoint in XST when it starts up, right here. And then let's also set a breakpoint in the JSON code since we expect the JSON parser to be called. Just do that here, and then say run. See, that stops at main. We can step through it, and there's a stack. Okay, so you can see the stack, and then if we keep running, we'll hit JSON parse. We can look up the stack. We can see the call to eval the script, which is the test script. And then when we come back here, we'll see that the exception from JSON parse failing lands here and is then printed out. That's it.